Chapter 5 Organizing. In an organization, after the planning has been over, according to the objectives that has been laid down by the management, the next step is to go for organizing the resources and the other necessary requirements according to the plan for accomplishing the objectives. A planning process is a structure that makes the work of an organization to adapt the dynamic environment. So according to the dynamic environment, planning will be laid down, and according to the plan which has been laid down, the top management will go for organizing that particular plan. So in page 112, the example it is given to you is about Wipro. So the total working of the Wipro company is being given, and it is all about the employees of the Wipro institution, and the how much of percentage they are showing as a growth rate annually, and also the chairman, about the chairman, and the number of people those who are being engaged in the work. So restructuring Wipro, it is considered to be the most important. So once Wipro company is being started, and once it's normal working when it is going on, and just for implementing it to a higher level, restructuring of Wipro will be done by the management people, and it has been separated itself to several subsidiaries of product line like telecommunication, engineering, financial services and all, and each and every individual line will be taken care of a particular person. So he is the one who takes the importance about organizing the Wipro organization. And in between 2002 and 2003, Wipro acquired two IT consulting firms to break into the US market. So it also moves from a service provider to a product developer. So slowly it gets into the other line of field also. So this is how the working of Wipro is, and how the organizing is being done by that particular management. So that has been given as the example for you. And if you move on to the introduction part of organizing, as I said you, it is the thing which has been laid out after planning has been done, and the management function of organizing that ensures that efforts are directed towards the attainment of goals laid down in the planning function. So that means, so what is the planning is being done in the organization. So what is the plan? So according to the plan, the task will be implemented, and in what ways it is implemented, what are all the necessary resources that is being needed for that task to be completed as said in the planning. So this kind of discussion will be going on, and that discussion will be implemented into action, and that is called as organizing. So the organizing function leads to the creation of organizational structure that includes designing of roles to be filled by suitably skilled people. So designing of roles is the task that has been designed, and that should be filled and implemented by the skilled people. So skilled people are the trained personnel who has experience in that particular work which is to be completed, and defining the interrelationship between these roles so that ambiguity in performance of duties can be eliminated. Defining the interrelationship, so there should be a relationship between two persons those who are working, or either two departments in an organization. So why this interrelationship is needed is to avoid confusion and to avoid ambiguity. Ambiguity is the confusion and the unnecessary task that is to be performed in the organization. So in this way, organization is organizing in the organization is considered to be an important one. Next, meaning of organizing. So here one best example they have given in your textbook is about the school fest. So suppose for you itself, our school will plan for the school annual day function, and it will be planned by the management people, correspondent, secretary, principal, teachers, and the in charge teachers and all. But students, you people will be given one responsibility for each and every task under the head of a school captain, school dean, and cultural in charge and all. So that planning will be laid down by the teachers and other management people, but organizing the task will be implemented by students with the help of the in charge teachers. So this is what the best example for organizing. So it will everything will be done under overall supervision of the official in charge person, and the coordinator will be there who acts as an important person to coordinate the relationship and the smooth interaction between each and every students, teachers, and each and every group. So how this is being taken out and how the program has been completed in a successful manner. So proper planning should be there, and that plan should be expressed in clear words to all the people, those who are included in bringing that plan in a successful manner. And coordination also should be there in a correct way, so that the information will not be missed out from one person to the other person. And organizing each and every task after a particular time limit, so that also plays an important role. So hence organizing essentially implies a process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specified objectives. So what is the main objective? So to achieve that particular objective, each and every individual people, they are supposed to act accordingly. So the definition which they have given in your textbook is: organizing can be defined as a process that initiates implementation of plans by clarifying jobs and working relationships and effectively deploying resources for attainment of identified and desired results. So that is the goals. So the meaning of this is, it is a process that initiates implementation of plan. So this is clear. So whatever the plan has been there, to implement that particular plan by clarifying jobs. So clarifying jobs is specifying the job to each and every individual person, and working relationship and effectively deploying resources. So what are all the resources that is being available there in the particular area or organization for attaining the identify and desired result, so attaining the goals that is being set by the management. So this is the definition for organizing.